Tonight, the Allegheny County Medical Society honored one of their own, Dr. Jerry Rabinowitz. Rabinowitz courageously ran to the aid of others caught in the senseless violence that killed 11 and injured 7 at the Tree of Life synagogue shooting back in October. His wife attended tonight's event to honor his life and memory. The Medical Society continued by honoring all the men and women who worked tirelessly that day to help those in need both at the scene and in area hospitals.
Dr. Jerry Rabinowitz performed the utmost selfless act by rushing in to save his fellow congregants, and that's what we're here to honor today, is what physicians, nurses, physician assistants, nurse practitioners do every day.
It's the day-to-day care of patients carried to its extreme.
Yes, a selfless act.
A local doctor who treated victims of the Tree of Life Synagogue Massacre was honored today. Dr. Keith Murray awarded the Everyday Hero Award from the Pennsylvania Medical Society. He's an emergency medicine physician at UPMC Mercy.
Most of the physicians that we honor are modest. They believe that they did exactly what they were supposed to do, what they were trained to do, or what they are just driven to do.
Again, accepting an individual award seems kind of selfish, as it really is a team effort when we do these things.
Murray very modestly says he didn't expect to receive the award.
Masks have become a key tool in the fight against coronavirus, causing a regional shortage. But today, one Allegheny County group ensured all frontline healthcare workers would be protected.
Today, we're equipping our members with N95 NIOSH-approved masks, and we're ensuring that they're functioning properly by conducting fit testing.
A regional shortage of personal protective equipment has activated the Allegheny County Medical Society. Through the Society's Frontline Relief Fund, they have raised $100,000 to buy PPE. Today, those face masks and face shields were passed out to frontline healthcare workers.
We've given away 4,600 masks. They've been given to nursing homes, they've been given to emergency responders, and today we're ensuring that our physicians who are treating patients are equipped with masks.
Counties across southwest Pennsylvania will move from the red phase to yellow next Friday, opening up a lot of doctors' offices. Physicians who do procedures on an outpatient basis are in need of PPE for themselves, their staff, and their patients.
With things opening up, their offices are opening up. They've really been closed, and there's a backlog of patients that need to come in and get these things done. So that's where the need is.
We know how vital masks and face shields have been for health professionals, and now some local organizations are making sure that they have them. Today, several groups gave out N95 masks and face shields in preparation for a potential fall wave of COVID-19. Allegheny County Executive Rich Fitzgerald says it's another example of the community coming together during the pandemic.
You've got the Huntington Bank, you've got the Allegheny Medical Society, you've got Light of Life Mission, you've got the foundation community donating PPEs, putting out the N95 masks, which are more protective than the traditional masks that we have.
Groups say some of those masks will also be given to people who are homeless.
Allegheny County has given more COVID-19 vaccinations than any other county in the state. According to the state health department, they say more than 40,000 shots and arms have been given here. Chris Hoffman reports medical staff who don't work for the big healthcare companies are starting to get their shots too.
Do you have any allergies?
Dr. Natalie Gentile is working to make sure other professionals get vaccinated like she did.
I definitely had a sore arm, and we hear a lot of people with that.
She and her family battled COVID-19 back in November.
I was quite ill with COVID. I wasn't hospitalized, but I was sick for about 7 days.
So Dr. Gentile knows the value of these shots.
Thank you very much.
After helping to vaccinate 100 private and unaffiliated healthcare workers last Sunday, the Allegheny County Medical Society stepped up to 300 this week at their Northside office.
It's good for the rest of the community as well, not only for yourself, but to prevent spread throughout the community.
This just makes me feel a lot more comfortable knowing that I will be vaccinated.
Dr. Gentili says they had a wait list of more than 1,000 healthcare workers. She says between this clinic and other distributions, all were able to get the shot, but the demand keeps growing.
Seems like vaccinating is starting to pick up, but people absolutely are still having issues having access.
The Medical Society plans to host another clinic next weekend. Their president wants to get these professionals vaccinated so some of their practices can safely vaccinate the general public.
They're out taking care of patients, and the sooner we can get them immune to the COVID, the better.